Hi vlog, I'm going crazy.
Disgusting!
So I've had the spontaneous idea to cut my hair, okay? It's not that long. Oh well. Wait, should I wash my hair? So I've decided, I have been kind of a mess recently, and you know, people usually cut or like dye their hair because they feel like they have no control in their life, and usually their hair is like something they can control. So it kind of gives them a sense of control. And everyone advised me not to. Everyone was like, Nady, don't do it. Don't cut your hair. Cutting your hair, you're gonna look fugly. And I don't care at this point. My mom doesn't know I'm doing this, and we're not gonna tell her. So, anyways, I'm gonna wet my hair now. I'm gonna like instantly regret this, and I'm gonna want long hair when I'm finished. Like, I'm gonna be like, wow, kinda want my long hair back. But there's nothing I can do about it. I just gotta go for it. Like, once I make that first cut, my hair is gone. So, yeah. Cindy! Cindy! She's not answering. Okay, I'm gonna do it. Cindy! I'm cutting it and I'm freaking out.
Okay, but if you cut too short at once, if you mess it up, you can't go back. So make sure you do it. It's better to have more than less, because if you mess up, you're gonna have to keep going shorter. So I would say start. You gotta go like,
Right here.
you gotta guess.
Okay.
Oh my god. Oh my god. It's just crazy. Oh my fucking god.
I just got. Oh my gosh! It reminds me of a rat. This is literally like a rat. Okay. I didn't realize how thick my hair was. Ooh, she's a little thicky. Ah! I am 2017 Nady again. Wow, I'm kind of shaking right now. This hand's like kind of having like.
Oh my god, what if it's not even?
I'm like, I don't care. Wait.
Oh, sorry. I ain't cutting.
I look like a little boy. Oh my gosh, I'm ugly now. Should I blow dry my hair?
Yeah. Oh my god, kind of shorter.
I like it. Actually, I don't like it. Actually, I kind of regret it. But I'm gonna go put makeup on now, and I'm gonna surprise, I don't know who. I'm just gonna text all my friends. Yeah. Okay, I might get back to you guys. If I don't, this is it. Here's the finished haircut. I blow dried it. And yeah. And then I did my makeup. And you know, I don't regret it. I think this was a step in the right direction into creating my new self. Should it just be Sun? Like Sun. Yeah, okay. My middle name's Sun. It's not like I'm just like crazy or whatever. But yeah, so Sun, hi. Me, I'm Sun. I don't know who Nady is. That, hello, who's she? New phone, who did? I better get famous off this video, so if I don't, I'm gonna be mad pressed.
Hey.
Okay. Anyways, yeah. So if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up, give it a like, give it a subscribe. Subscribe, I mean. And if you didn't like this video, oh well, you didn't have to watch it, okay? Peace out.
Sun out.
Sun out.